Sinayang mo ang tiwala ko. Bionic ID. Onic ID.
Akala ko totoo lahat ng salita mo, mga pangako mong parang bituin sa langit ko. Pinaniwala mo ko sa habang buhay na tayo, pero bakit ngayon ako'y iniwan mo? Ginawa ko ang lahat, di ako nagkulang. Ikaw ang mundo ko, ikaw ang dahilan. Pero sa likod ng ngiti mong kay tamis, may sikreto palang pilit mong tinatago sa dilim. Binigay ko ang puso ko ng buo, hindi ko akalaing lolokohin mo. Tiwala ko'y hawak mo noon, ngayon wasak na parang abo. Sinayang mo ang tiwala ko, sinira mo ang mundo ko. Binigay ko ang lahat sa'yo, pero niloko mo lang ako. Hindi ko akalain kaya mong gawin ang sakta ng pusong handang mahalin. Ngayon ako'y natuto na hindi na muling magpapadala.
You told me forever, you looked in my eyes, but now I see through every single lie. You played your part so perfectly, but love ain't a game, especially with me. I gave you loyalty, gave you my trust, stayed by your side when life was rough, but you chose to break what we had built. Now all I feel is pain and guilt.
I was real from the very start. You were just acting smart. Now I'm stronger on my own, guess I'm better off alone. You wasted all my trust in you. After everything we've been through, I gave you love, I gave you truth, but you chose to cut me loose. Now I'm dead and I'm moving on, no more crying till the dawn. You lost someone who stayed so true, now the regret is all on you.
Yeah. Hindi mo man lang naisip yung mga sakripisyo ko, habang ikaw pala may ibang kinakausap sa phone mo. Akala mo di ko alam, akala mo bulag ako, pero bawat galaw mo ramdam ko. Alam ko. You thought I wouldn't notice, thought I wouldn't see, but karma hits different, just wait and see. You broke our heart that was pure and real, now I'm the one who don't need to heal. Masakit opo, pero di ako mahina, sa bawat sugat mo lalo akong tumitibay pa. Hindi ako talo, hindi ako kawawa, ikaw ang nawalan, ako ang lumaya. We rise above, hindi basta-basta pagdating sa love. Kung hindi ka tunay, wag ka na sumubok, kasi puso ko ngayon hindi na marupok.
Sinayang mo ang tiwala ko. You wasted all the love I showed. Ngayon tapos ng kwento, I'm stronger now, I let you go. Hindi na babalik sa dati, no more baby, no more sorry. This is the end of me and you. Onic ID. I'm breaking through.
Salamat sa sakit. Natuto ako. Hindi lahat ng I love you totoo. Onic ID.